The term poultry refers to the rearing and breeding of avian species such as chickens, ducks, turkeys, geese, guinea fowls, which have been domesticated. They are the best converters of feed and to animal protein compared to other livestock. Chickens are the most common poultry enterprises. Chickens alone occupy 90% of the total poultry breeds. There are more than hundreds breeds and more varieties of fowls. The fowls are classified based on their utility to man. They are meat type, egg type, dual type, and gams, and ornamental type based on their origin. There are four major exotic breeds of fowls. They are American breeds, Asiatic breeds, English breeds, and Mediterranean breeds. In addition to the above, many of the indigenous breeds are also rare. American breeds. Most of American breed of fowls are dual purpose, giving meat and eggs. These breeds are characterized by yellow feathers and earlobes, and many of them lay brown shelled eggs. Rhode Island's Reds, Plymouth Rock, New Hampshire, and Vendati are some of the important breeds of American class. Plymouth Rock. Plymouth Rock is the oldest and most popular breed of America. The birds are single-combed with long and deep body. The breed produces good-sized eggs. The plumage is generally grayish white. The female looks darker in color than males. This color feather is used to distinguish the sex of the bird. The female usually have black spots on the shanks. White plymouth. The white plymouth rock has white plumage throughout the body and it commonly used in broiler production. Standard weights of cock 4.3 kg, hen 3.4 kg, cockerel 3.6 kg, pullet 2.7 kg. Asiatic breeds. The breeds of this class belong to Asian continent. They are characterized by large body with heavy bones, feather shanks, red car lobes, and yellow skin. They are used for egg and meat purpose. The eggshells are light to dark brown in color. The important breeds of this class are Brahma from Brahmaputra Valley in India, Cochin and Longshan are from China. Brahma. Brahma breed is well known for its massive body with heavy bones, well feathered, and proportionate body. Become as one of important breed character. Light, dark Brahma are of two common varieties of Brahma. Light Brahma. It is light gray to white color and the hackle feather and are black. The beak and legs are light yellow colored. Standard weight of light Brahma are cock 4.4 kg, hen 4.3 kg, cockerel 4.5 kg, pullet 3.6 kg. Dark Brahma. Dark Brahma are light black or steel gray colored with greenish hackles. Standard weight of dark Brahma are cock 4.9 kg, hen 3.9 kg, cockerel 4.0 kg, and pullet 3.1 kg. English breeds. Other breeds of this class originated from England. Presence of white plumage and faint-colored lobes are the characters of the breed of this class. Most of them lay brown-shelled eggs. Sussex, Orpington, Australorp, and Corange are some of the important breed of this class. Mediterranean breed. Breed of this class originated from European countries which are by the side of Mediterranean Sea. The important breed of this class, Leghorn and Encorn, originated from Italy, whereas Minorca originated from Spain. The breeds are light-bodied with non-feathered shanks The fowl of this class lay white-shelled eggs and are non-setters. Leghorn. The white leghorn are the most popular and commercial breeds in India, Asia. Colors of plumage may be white, brown, or black. The fowls of this breed are small, compact, with single comb and wethers. True, the leghorn are adapted to most of the climate. They are thriving well in dry areas. They mature early and then begin to lay eggs at the age of 5 to 6 months. Hence, the breed is economically important and preferred in commercial farms. The standard weight of the cock is 2.7 kilogram, hen 2.0 kilogram, cockerel 2.3 kilogram, pullet 1.8 kilogram. Indigenous breed of fowls. The common country hen of India is known as DC, which is best mother for hatching. Some of the Indian fowls resemble the Leghorn but have poor laying qualities. Chittagong, Asil, Krognath, and Basra are four breeds of indigenous fowl in India. Asil. Asil is noted for its pugnacity. The color of this breed is white or black. The hens are not good egg-layers but are excellent sitters. A silkbreed is found in almost all sides of India and Asia, but abundant in Andhra Pradesh. Chittagong. Chittagong breed is largely found in West Bengal. The plumage color varies, but the popular shade is golden or light yellow. The beak is long and yellow in color. The earlobes and waters are small and red in color. They are good egg layers and are delicious. Karnataka. It is a fowl with black flesh. It is abundant in Madhya Pradesh and bred by tribals. The eggs are light brown in color. The adult plumage varies from silver and gold spangled to bluish black. The comb waters and tongue are purple in color. Basra. This is a small to medium sized bird found in some parts of Gujarat. In Maharashtra, they are light feathered with wide variation in body color. Farming methods. Poultry farming has now become very popular. It is recognized as an organized and scientifically based industry with tremendous employment potential. It plays an important part in the rural economy of India and Asia and all over the world. It provides a ready source of income to the cultivator beside meat and eggs. Poultry supplies feeders and rich manure. The following factors are being taken into consideration for the growth of poultry farming. Small initial investment to availability of quality chicks. 3. Short generation interval. Quick, assured, and better returns compared to other livestock species. Availability of trained manpower. Better understanding and knowledge of the import and scientific methods of feeding, management, and health control. Rearing involves the following stages: selection of eggs, incubation and hatching of eggs, grooming or care of newborns, housing of poultry, feeding of poultry are important steps in rearing of chickens. Selection of eggs. Eggs meant for hatching and rearing must be selected very carefully. The following points should be considered. Selection of eggs. The eggs should be fertile, oversized and small sized. Eggs should not be selected and stayed medium sized. Should be prepared. Dark brown shelled eggs hatch earlier than light brown shelled eggs. Fleshly laid eggs are prepared for rearing, incubation, and hatching. The fertilized hen eggs undergoes development during incubation and hatching processes. The fully formed bird emerges out of egg after a challenging period of 120 days. During this period, the egg must obtain optimum temperature, humidity, and ventilation, etc. The maintenance of newly laid eggs An optimum condition hatching is called incubation. The incubation is of two types, namely natural incubation and artificial incubation. In the natural incubation method, the eggs are subjected to the care of mother. Only a limited number of eggs can be hatched. In artificial incubation, the eggs are maintained in an incubator, which stimulates the optimum environmental condition. In artificial incubation, more number of eggs can be incubated than natural incubation. Brooding. Brooding is the care and management of young chickens for 4 to 6 weeks immediately after hatching. Like incubation, brooding also has the natural and artificial methods. In the former, all chickens are left to the care of mother, and in the latter, temperature controlled artificial brooder is used. Factor inward and brooding. Temperature. The head chicks inside the incubator for about 36 hours and then transferred to artificial brooder. The optimum temperature is 33 degrees centigrade. During the first 3 days, during the subsequent weeks of brooding, the temperature is reduced by 3 degrees centigrade each week till it reaches 21 degrees centigrade. Ventilation. Fresh air movement is important for chicken growth. Poor ventilation results in the accumulation of carbon monoxide, ammonia, and water vapor, which may lead to microbial infection. Floor space. Adequate floor space is to be provided for the proper development of chicken. Minimum 500 square centimeter of floor space per chicken is to be provided. Crowding of chickens leads to poor growth and induces cannibalistic tendencies among the birds. Later, the floor of the broad house is layered by beds of hay, rice husk, or sawdust, and this is called litter. The litter bed should be 5 to 7.5 centimeter thick, and it must be kept dry, light. To keep the broad house free from infectious germs, the broad house must be well ventilated, evenly distributed. Sunlight promotes proper growth of the birds and formation of vitamin D. Housing of poultry. Open-sided poultry is popular in our country. The primary objective of providing housing to poultry is to protect them from sun, rain, and predators, and to provide comfort. Poultry house should be well ventilated and should be kept cool in summer and warm in winter. The floor of the poultry house should be moisture proof, rat proof, free from cracks, easily cleanable and durable. Poultry feeding. Feeding a poultry bird is an important part of rearing. The diet of chickens must be contain adequate amount of water, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. The foodstuff size as maize, barley, sorghum, wheat, alcake, rice, etc. are to be given in standard requirements. Poultry byproducts. Poultry and poultry products are highly perishable, hence, due to attention has to be paid to the problems relating to processing, preservation, and marketing of poultry and poultry products for the benefits of producers, processors, and consumers. And a food processing unit raw material go as vast in the form of blood, feathers, heads, and feet. Hatchery was includes infertile eggs, dead embryos, and hatchery unstable chickens. Large quantity of wet droppings are also available. Processing and using of these byproducts will not only reduce the cost of poultry production but also solve the disposal problem and minimize pollution hazards. A great deal of work has been done processing these byproducts into feather meal, poultry byproducts meal, hatchery byproducts meal, eggshell meal, albumin plaque, dried, and poultry manure. Poultry diseases. These birds are commonly affected by diseases such as renegade, coccidiosis, smallpox, and tick fever. Pisciculture. This is another topic.